Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali Summit white paint with a jet black and teak interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7 liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated and cooling seats with a heated steering wheel, power sunroof, heads-up display, wireless charging, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. We have that jet black and teak color scheme on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle. The center console and the seats. Storage on the bottom of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks. Memory settings as well. On the panel next to the steering wheel you have some interior lighting control and your trailer brake controller. Black leather bucket seats. You can see those colored accents and stitching throughout here as well. Denali etching at the top. Power controls on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and forward collision alert, while the right has steering wheel audio controls, heated steering wheel. This here changes the display in front of you. There's a few different displays that you can cycle through depending on your preference and whatever you want shown directly in front of you here. The entertainment display has your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay settings, digital climate controls here, cameras that you can look through with several different angles to look at. Navigation along the side here, your audio, home button. You have dual zone climate control as well. This has your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls. A little further below, you have a few more options, including your automatic start and stop and your lane keep assist. Wireless charging pad at the front with a couple outlets for you to use. Next to the shifter, you have your several different driving modes and electronic parking brake. Dual cup holder in front of the center console, which you can open up for more storage on the inside. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have the power controls for your sunroof located above you. And in front of the passenger, a glove box, which is quite spacious, so there's a good amount of storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. We have that Summit white paint, the red GMC emblem in the center of the chrome grille, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, chrome mirror caps with your blind spot indicator on the front, chrome door handles with keyless entry, and chrome assist steps that run along the side. At the back, you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back, the red GMC emblem above the chrome Denali nameplate, and your Canyon badge in the corner. We'll open up the tailgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner and onboard power. The easy lift tailgate makes it super easy to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black and teak color scheme that you had in the front. Magazine holders on the backs of the seats. The black leather seating here as well. The handle on the side here, you can pull that to lift the seat, giving you access to your under-seat storage. You can pull that handle again to lower the seat back into place. On the back of the center console, you have your two cup holders and a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.